This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to modify Nissan Altima step by step. Start by assessing your goals and budget, and list modifications in priority order. Measure space for suspension and exhaust changes, and check clearance for wheel and tire sizes. Confirm compatibility for engine or intake parts with your Altima model. Gather basic tools, safety gear, and a repair manual before beginning any work on the car. Tackle exterior and suspension next to shape how your Altima looks and performs. Start with conservative spring or coilover choices to avoid rubbing and preserve ride comfort. Fit wheels and tires that match bolt pattern, offset, and clearance, and torque lug nuts to spec. Upgrade brake pads and rotors when increasing wheel diameter or horsepower to ensure consistent stopping power under real driving conditions. Focus on simple engine and intake changes for reliable power improvements. Start with a quality air filter or cold air intake, then monitor performance before adding more parts. Small bolt-ons like intake and catback exhaust work best when paired with proper engine management. Consider a professional tune after hardware changes to protect your engine and maximize gains while keeping emissions and drivability in check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.